Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is another day. Super grateful to be here today. I'm loving this challenge. I can't wait to get it done. Today I have all this money. You see that I was kind of arranging it to look cute. This is what we have today, and I'm going to see how much envelopes I can stuff with this money. I'm still doing my 100 envelope savings challenge, and this one is kind of different a little bit. For those of you who have been following me, you know the deal already. We are adding the double numbers, and when we get to multiples of 10, we do the same thing. So super excited. This is how cute it is, and I can't wait to put this money towards my student loan. I was less than 16,000, and the interest is piling up every day. But we're going to pay the student loan. Trust me, that student loan is going by the time my birthday comes. So I can't wait to put this money towards that. Super excited. Look at how nice this is. This is so cute. So let's see how much money we can put it in here today. I'm going to try and use all this money. If some is left, that's fine. But I'm hoping to do about two to four of these. I'm kind of behind, so I'm trying to catch up because I have to finish it by. So if I do 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if I do 2, I'm still gonna be on time. But let's see how much money we have and how much is gonna go ahead and do. So I have 1, 2, 3. That's 60. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 70. So 130. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 65. So 130, then 65. I think I need my calculator, but to tell you guys the truth, I can't find it. So I have 130, I have 65. So that would be 195. Okay, let's count the ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 200. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So 229. That's what we are working with this time. Then, like I said, it's quite a different a little bit. But if you've been following me, you know the deal. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So this envelope get 8, not 53. We are adding numbers. Then I have 5 plus 4, which is 9. Then I have 5 plus 5, which is 10. Then I have 5 plus 6, which is 11. Then I have 5 plus 7, which is 12. Then I have 5 plus 8, which is 13. Then I have 5 plus 9, which is 14. Then I have 60. At the normal circumstance, I would do 6 plus 0, which is 6. But no, my multiples of 10 get the same amount. So I'm going to do 60. Then I have 6 plus 1, which is 7. Then I have 6 plus 2, which is 8. Then I have 6 plus 3, which is 9. Then I have 6 plus 4, which is 10. Then I have 6 plus 5, which is 11. Then I have 6 plus 6, which is 12. And I have 6 plus 7, which is 13. Then I have 6 plus 8, which is 14. But I think I would do 15 because I don't have enough ones. So I'll put 15 here. I think this will be my last one. Then I'll keep my change. Yeah, so this is how far we are. Super excited. Super excited. I can't wait to get it done by the end of March, and I'll count it, and then all the money is going towards my student loan. Then I'll start a new one for the next quarter. Yeah, so let me go ahead and shade. Okay, so this is how far we are. It's not cute. I'm loving it. So thank you so much for watching me tonight. Super grateful to have you here. For those of you who haven't hit the subscribe button, please go ahead and do so that you don't miss any of my videos. I will see you guys in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye.